Why don't you just tell him how you feel? Are you going to talk?
Hi.
Say hi to Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Tell him what you were doing with the skee ball.
I want you to tell.
Just tell him, honey.
Mom, can you? Don't send this one to Grandpa.
Why not? All right, I'll stop it. It stopped. What do you want me to say?
Phoebe was crying because she was playing Zemo and she was pretending you were there.
Aww. Do you love Grandpa?
Can you say it?
Yeah, I'll say it. What else did you want me to say?
Then I'm really sad.
Did you have fun with him?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Wrestling.
Wrestling. What else was your favorite?
Did you stop that?
Yeah, I was just going to find out so I could tell him. What else did you want to tell him?
Daddy wanted to do this the violin thing.
Okay.
I can't do.
Okay. What else?
I wish he was here and I could do it.
Well, that's okay. Maybe we'll do it by Skype. Want to try that?
What's Skype?
Like you can see each other and he can see you doing it at the same time you're watching him?
Yeah.
That's better, isn't it? Okay. Is there anything else you want me to tell him? No. Should I say hi to Grandma for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't want to talk to her.
You just want to tell him how you feel? You want me to talk?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What else should I tell him? Anything else? Like at the end, what should I say?
Bye.
Bye. Should I say Phoebe loves you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then bye.
And bye. Okay. All right. Should I give him like a... Or should I do a snotty one like that?
Yeah. Do that. He likes gross stuff.
He doesn't like to be grossed out, does he? Does he like snot?
Yeah.
He does?
Mom, do that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.